Hi friends, as you can see, there are a lot of designs of industrial plugs and sockets. Here there are IP44 and IP67. They are 125 amperes and 63 amperes. As you can see, different colors shows different input currents. Like this, the red one are 125 amperes and the small red ones are 63 amperes. For example, this one 63 amperes, 346 to 415 voltage, and I would like to talk about self-locking feature. 5 pins and lock it and open it, right? I'm gonna show you these two plugs. It's easy to plug into it and lock it. And this is the another side connected cables. This couple is used for the AI data center. This is custom design used for the power distribution cabinet. About this black one, 125 amperes and 500 voltage. And please have a look at it. Inside, 5 pins, and this is 7 o'clock direction. And this one is installed in the equipment or the machine. And this is the plug side, also 7 hours. This is mistake proof, 7 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And lock it. This is IP44 and there's no self-locking feature. Please have a look at the back side. You can see a lot of designs, industrial plugs and sockets on the table. I think there must be one design suitable for you. Please contact us if you are interested in these plugs and sockets.